Hi, my name is Michelle, and today I'm gonna talk you through into getting a Chrome extension so that you can make your own cookbook or collect recipes from different countries and different cookbooks. First, you go to the Chrome web store, click on extensions, and look for My Taste browser button. Install it onto your extension bar. It tells you then to select an image that you want for your cookbook cover. Then you can select different recipes for your cookbook, or you can put your own recipes in a different cookbook.